Looking for the absolute best, high-quality images for your projects in 2026 without running into copyright trouble? You've probably heard of Getty Images. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate Getty Images to find and license professional assets for your creative work. First, let's talk about what Getty Images actually is. It's one of the largest and most trusted online libraries for digital media. When you visit the site, you get access to a massive library of high-resolution royalty-free images, editorial stock photos, vector art, video footage clips, and even stock music. Whether you're building a website, designing a presentation, or editing a video, they have pretty much everything. To get started, simply head over to gettyimages.com. Right on the homepage, you'll see a search bar. You can type in exactly what you're looking for, like modern workspace or abstract vector art. Once the results load, you can use their filters to narrow things down by license type, image orientation, or resolution. Now, when it comes to user reviews and feedback, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have access to a verified pool of user reviews for Getty Images in our current database. However, the platform is widely known in the industry for its premium quality and massive selection. On the downside, because it is a premium service, licensing high-end editorial and commercial media can sometimes be a significant investment compared to free, lower-quality stock sites. If you need top-tier, legally safe, and highly professional visuals, Getty Images remains a go-to industry standard. Have you used Getty Images for your projects, or do you prefer other platforms? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in the next video.